So I got this box and I worked really hard on what's inside. I want to share it with you. I want honest opinions. I'm so excited. I feel like this is a huge measurable milestone in my life, passion, and career. Can you be honest with me and tell me what you think? I hope it turned out really good. I hope I measured right. I hope I did good photos. I hope they're not grainy. I hope... You ever... I'm gonna let you look first. Is it there? Woo! Don't fall out. Well, I guess I'm gonna look first. Okay. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna turn you around. Oh my god, it turned out really good. It's really good. And that's me. And the box is good. Hey, I did pretty good. All right, let's go down. So this bride, I asked her, I said, oh my God, your dress, your vibe, your bouquet, everything is just beautiful. Can I use your photos? She said, hell yeah. So this is the table I made out of it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Services. About us meaning me, and our workshop. What's that? Oh my God, the pictures turned out really good. Nice. What do you think? Would you order a preservation from me? Only thing, I gotta fix that. All right, so let's see. You hear my rooster? So this is actually an old phone. All right, I made this video. That's that bouquet. It's another bouquet. And another bouquet. And another bouquet. And another one. And another. Oh, that's the same one. Okay. So. Only thing, should I separate weddings and memorials? I think I should. Okay. So this is where shipping instructions are, shipping labels, collection. I think the collection should be here. I gotta add a bunch of other stuff to it. And then this is my gallery of stuff that I've done. Oh, what do you think? Guys, this is exciting. I can't believe that. Like, I mean, I can, but 10 years ago, you know? Like, you couldn't have told me I would have been here 10 years ago, 8 years ago, 9 years ago. Couldn't have did that. Well, no, 9. It's been 8 years. So, I feel blessed. A lot of hard work. Just, this is for anybody who thinks that you're stuck or there's no other way. There's always another way. I always tell my kids there's way more than one way to do things. You understand? If I tell you it's the only way, it's probably not. And challenge me. Because what everybody else told me, what I learned my whole life. Like, addiction ran in my family. Me, myself, I was trapped in something that I thought was normal. It was not. There's a whole nother way. So just to be here in the position that I'm in and sharing it with y'all, and to even have you listening, like, that's what's up. So thank you for looking. Drop your feedback. And the deadline for the Maker Mind giveaway, we're doing a giveaway. There's a new Maker Mind episode where you get to learn more about me and my story, and I show you how to do some ocean waves. That deadline for that giveaway is tomorrow, and I'll be choosing the winner Wednesday. Yeah, is it Wednesday? 28th. I'm gonna choose the winner the 28th, so whatever today is. What is today? 26th. Yeah, the next day. Okay. All right, so today's Tuesday, not Monday. So I'll be choosing the winner on Thursday. Okay. What do you win? $300 Promise Epoxy gift card. The board that I made in that episode, which it's a nice size charcuterie board with the ocean on it. I can show you real quick. And also you help little old me, little mom like me, to have her dreams come true. Like, this is my passion. This is what I love. Like, this is my life. I gotta throw some oil on it to darken it up a bit, but I will gladly laser engrave your name on there. And yeah, so go watch the Maker Mind. It is on the tube. Link is up, you know where. And the only thing you gotta do to enter that giveaway is follow Nita's Fluid Woodworks, me, and Promise Epoxy over there on the tube, and comment on that Maker Mind episode. What's an ocean themed project you would want to do and why, and then I'm going to choose from those comments on Wednesday, and I will announce the winner probably around lunch, or I'll have my kids do it. They really like doing that. So all right, thank you for watching and listening. Bye.